Elon Musk is one of the richest, most influential business minds on the planet. But let me tell you something. He's also one of the biggest risk takers in history. He bet everything on SpaceX and almost lost it all. He poured his last few million into Tesla when it was on the brink of collapse. He ignored every critic who said his ideas were impossible, and now he dominates entire industries. And here's what business owners, sales professionals, and high performers need to learn from Musk. If you're not taking calculated risks, you're already losing. If you play it safe, you'll never separate yourself from the competition. And if you don't have the guts to make big moves, you'll always stay average. So today I'm going to break down 3 powerful sales and business lessons from Elon Musk's risk-taking mindset. And if you actually apply them, your income and career will never be the same. Let's dive in. Here's what makes Elon Musk different. He commits first and figures it out later. He didn't start SpaceX with years of NASA experience. He wasn't an aerospace engineer. He had zero background in rocket science, yet he took the risk, started the company, and learned as he went. If you're waiting until you feel ready to level up your business, you're waiting forever. If you're hesitating to go after big sales deals because you don't think you're good enough, you're leaving money on the table. And if you're scared to take a big swing, you'll always stay stuck playing small. High performers commit before they're ready. They say yes, and then they figure it out. Musk didn't hesitate to take on Tesla, so why are you hesitating in your business? I work with high performers who are ready to take control of their success, but here's the truth. Most people won't do it. If you're a business owner, sales professional, or leader, and you're ready to stop overthinking and start executing, let's talk. Book a free discovery call below. All right, lesson 2. This is where most people fail. SpaceX's first 3 rocket launches, they failed. Each failure cost millions of dollars. Each failure made Musk look like an idiot to critics. Each failure almost bankrupted him. But instead of quitting, he treated every failure like a lesson. And in 2008, SpaceX finally nailed a successful launch. Most salespeople fear rejection. Most business owners fear losing money. Most leaders fear failure. So they play it safe. But if Musk feared rejection, Tesla, SpaceX, and PayPal, they wouldn't exist. If you fear rejection, you won't close the deals you should be closing. Rejection is not failure, it's feedback. Every no that you get in sales is data, adjust and improve. Every risk you take in business teaches you something. Every loss is only a loss if you don't learn from it. The highest earners in sales and business aren't afraid of rejection, they use it. And that's why we work with high performers to help them turn losses into leverage and scale their income. If you're ready to get out of your own way, let's build your strategy. All right, let's talk about the most risk-taking lesson that Musk teaches. Elon doesn't just build businesses, he builds industries. Tesla revolutionized electric cars. SpaceX privatized space travel. Starlink, it's changing global internet access. Musk doesn't just play to win, he plays to change the game. The highest earners in business and sales don't just play for short-term wins, they build long-term impact. The best sales professionals, they don't just chase commissions, they build relationships. The best business owners, they don't just sell products, they create value that lasts. The best leaders, they don't make money, they build legacies. So if you want real success, stop thinking small. Stop focusing on next week's paycheck and start thinking about next year's domination. Stop focusing on tiny improvements and start thinking about game-changing moves. Stop focus on avoiding risk and start positioning yourself for massive rewards. The future belongs to those who take bold action. So here's your challenge. Where are you playing too small? Are you waiting until you feel ready instead of taking action? Are you fearing rejection instead of learning from it? Are you playing for quick wins instead of building long-term success? Take the risk, because the biggest risk you can take is taking none at all. So if you're serious about growth in sales, business, and leadership, let's talk. Hey, and if coaching isn't for you right now, totally okay. Go ahead and check that free PDF below. The link is there. And if you found value in this, hit that subscribe button. I'm dropping high performance business strategies every single week. See you on the next one.